This is my niece. Keno! It's been a long time, Keno. How are you? How is Charles? Charles is at school again. He's doing great. When to hear? Aren't you get tired, Salmoy? It's very late na. Have you taken a nap? April, what's? Okay. This is my niece. Hoy, Sam, did you remember before? When she's a baby, we met na, no? Even when she's not born yet, we met already. I'm good, thank you. Why would I get tired? Because it's very late there. Duh. It's morning already. Wanna get tired? Son. Hi, ganda April. Hala, Filipino Unfiltered. Hello po, Ate Rose. Hello, thank you naman for coming. Hoy, galing din ako sa live mo nung nakaraan. Nagulat ako. Bakit ang viewer mo 3 lang? Alex. Okay. I think this baby is ano na. Hi, Hana. Hana? Kamusta ka? Hindi ko alam. Oo, nasa gym ka nun eh. Who's Hana? Gym. Hello, Golden. Hi, Rose. Jim knows a lot. A lot of Filipino live streams. Hi, Jim. The sunrise so good this morning, but yet it's raining now. No, it's raining. What's April? What's April? What's April? What question is that? Hannah is different girl. Yeah, that's why I'm surprised you say hi, Hannah. Ate Rose, kamusta? I haven't been to Rose live in a little bit. April. Is it Abril? Hey, yeah, one filter. Ever saw me in your lives? Okay lang eh. Not yet, Saul. Maybe you're interested. Maybe you subscribe to her. I'm going to watch Cow. Cow? Ikaw, later na may baby ako dito. Rose is very nice. Yes, she is. Take the memories of today. Think about today. Even yesterday behind. Not yet, I guess. So. Rude. Sam, you're so rude. What? Rose. That Rose, I've been in there too. She work out. See? Golden. I miss you, Aprilin. I miss you too, ate. Galing ako sa live mo. Pinapanood kita minsan. Minsan lang. Not always. Hi, Golden. At least I'm being honest. Yes, Golden. She does live at the gym. I feel jealous about that person po. Nag-ano ako, Ate Rose. Nagsiselos ako kasi yun nga, nagtayo kayo mag-gym, tapos, 'di ba? Na-admire kayo ng iba. May crush kasi ako, gusto niya ganun din. Healthy workout. And she's sexy, ano, Jim, right? She's sexy. She's adorable. Ako din. Alex, you know that your name and the word Alex is spelled the same. Huh? Sana all. Who's sexy? Filipino Unfiltered.
Ngayong ka cellphone mo, bago mo pina-charge kinagara, lobat na lobat.
You know the month of April, and your name is like the month.
20% yung ipa-charge.
Ha?
20% nung ipa-charge.
Ay baka mangyari sa hindi
Hindi mo na kailangan.